Hey guys, how's it going? This is a 2015 Chevy 1500 with a service airbag light on. And today, another place diagnosed it, so today we're just gonna change this part. It's the impact sensors in the front bumper, and we'll see what's involved with that. I'm gonna take off this plastic shield here, see if we can find it. I don't know where they hide this. I'm guessing it's somewhere under here. Take off 47 screws. I'll try a drill. See if we can get it off today. That's the wrong size. That's too long. One of these on there. Watch your ears. Oh, it's too long. Oh, it's too long. Yeah, the battery's dead. That's fine. We'll do it the old-fashioned way. Hopefully it's under here. I took off the plastic shield. You can see there's the crank, the front of the engine. And if you look way up here, it's kind of dark in there. You'd think I'd bring a flashlight. And the other one is right there. Those are the two sensors that are tripping the code. You want to check the wires. Here, let's see if we can unplug one. Oh. Can't unplug it with one hand. It's got a little red safety tab. You flip that tab back with a little pocket screwdriver, squeeze the plug, pull it out. There's a little screw-majigger in there. See, I'm gonna get you guys a flashlight. Hang on. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, that didn't work. Alright, I got you guys a flashlight. So there's the sensor right there. And General Motors was nice enough to install that underneath the radiator. You see the white clip. Now that screw is coming from the top, and that big black thing is the bottom of the radiator, which is why they probably wanted $700 to change them, because you're supposed to pull the radiator out. But since that screw is coming from the top, on the bottom of it is, in the dark again, is an E-Torx, which is an inverted star. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not. But what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to get you guys some light. This is the sensor. And on one side is Torx bit. And on the other side, I have to take my word for it, there's a little star there. Focus. So what I'm going to do is try to take that socket and thread that backwards. And we'll see what happens. Hang on, let me get you set up. Alright, got my little socket. I'm going to try to spin this backwards. You guys can just watch the back of my hand, I guess. What do you want to hold the flashlight? kind of out. Kind of, sort of. Aha! Look at that. That's a nice surprise. So GM actually put a slot in there so you could fit the head of the screw and slide it up into place. You don't have to pull the radiator. I don't understand why they wanted like $400 labor to do this. There's your little sensor. We're gonna unplug that, change that out. Pocket screwdriver. Flip that down. Squeeze tab. Pull. One. New sensor. eBay. Like 40 bucks. Clip. Lock the tab. And it's already... Hope you guys are watching that. We're going to take that. And we're going to slip it in there. Like so. Line that up. Take our little Torx socket. E-Torx they call it. Look it up. E-Torx. You can get cheap ones. You don't need $500 sockets. You don't use these that often. There you go. You don't have to kill it. Just make it snug. It doesn't hold the truck together. And that's it. And we're going to repeat the same on the other side. All right, now that that's done, we're gonna disconnect the battery. See if we can erase any codes. We'll let that sit for a second. We'll hook it back up and we'll check it. All right. Battery's hooked back up. Should probably shut the hood. I'm gonna try it again. Sorry about the ding. Hood's open. Airbag lights on. Still.